We all hate when Windows updates go wrong. Before you hit update, here are 3 quick things you must do to save time, avoid headaches, and keep your PC safe. Tip number 1. Backup your important files. Simply Windows updates can sometimes corrupt files. Recommend copying key files to external hard drive or cloud like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or wherever you are comfortable with. Trust me, you don't want Windows eating your GTA save files. Tip number 2. Check storage space. Updates often fail if there is not enough disk space. How to check? Go to Settings, System, and Storage. Keep at least 20 gigabytes free, and you also can uninstall unused apps. Empty recycle bin. Yeah, those 200 screenshots of cats. Maybe it's time to let them go. Tip number 3. Update drivers first. All drivers can cause crashes or blue screens after Windows update. Update graphics and network drivers at minimum. You don't want Windows to update and suddenly your Wi-Fi vanishes like a magician's trick. And last tip, which is optional, create a restore point before updating. It's like a save point in a video game, just in case you mess up. So back up your files, check your storage, and update your drivers. Do these 3 things before updating Windows, and you'll save yourself a ton of stress. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's the worst Windows update experience you've had. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.